Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in today's newspaper on Tuesday, September the 17th, 2024. And told you earlier, we have only one puzzle. The 3 stars. Sorry, we have only 3 regular puzzles for today. One of them I've already solved, the 3-star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left, the Tectonic aka JigSaw Sudoku, and the Sudoku with 4 stars. Today in the newspaper there are no extra puzzles, no additional, so only these 3 puzzles. News of the day, well, I've told you, in Lebanon, deadly pager explosions are there, yeah. They use pagers, the Hezbollah there, instead of phones, and the Israeli Mossad has sold pages there, so 5,000 people here are injured. I believe 8 or 9 people are dead, yeah. Anyway, enough about war. This one will be 9, 2, 8, 7. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. I've not done this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow! 24! Well. A truly 4-star Sudoku. Yeah. 4-star Sudoku is always 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4-star puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, 2 2s, 3 3s, 2 4s, 1 5, 4 6s, well, 4 7s, well, 3 8s, and 2 9s. So the 6s and the 7s are in majority. Question is, can I start with the 6? No. Cannot start with the 6. How about the 7s? 7s. Need a 7 there. 7 there. Will be difficult. How about the 8 in this column? 8, last column, 8 in that column. So the column 3 now only 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 3. 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left. The 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Need a 4 here. 2 in this column, third column. 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level 2 should be there. Now the 6. 6 in this row. 6 in the third row. So the row between second row, the only 2 place level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Need 6 here. Need 6 there. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, okay. Need 7. Come on. 3. Need a 3 here, yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, okay. 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 3 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So this box can't be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 then. Okay. And we have a pair, the 3 and 8 in this row, the 3 in one of those two boxes and 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left with 3 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 8, 8, need 8 here, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers in 8. We have 8 in this first column, no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. The 5 here. Then let me see. Let me see. 6, 3, 1, 8. 7. Come on. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 5, 5. Okay. Then 3 and a 2, need a 2 there. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left with the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3 and a 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes at there. 4, 4. 4, 4. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these two boxes. The 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those two boxes in this third row. 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left with 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left with 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left with 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And oh no. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places left with the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Now I can count, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Okay. All right. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. So the only place left with 2 in this big square should be there. Need a 2 here, need a 2 there. Yeah. In this column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. So 2 in this column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Alright, then let me see. 6, 6. How about? Come on. 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 5. Here can be 5, we have 5 in the last row, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have 5 in the first row, no 5 there. So the only place left with 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left with 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 in these two boxes. We have 5 in this column, no 5 in that box. So 1 box left with 5 in this big square. Should be there. I need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Okay, cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. 7. Need a 9. Need a 8. Need a 1. Interesting. Need a 1 here. 2 numbers left now in this third row. For numbers 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 in this column, no middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 3 should be there. Then we have all the 3s, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so last row, the only place level 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left with 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left with 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there, 6 should be here, 9 goes there. 7 and a 9, we have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in the second row. For number, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square. Oh wait, 1 box left in this row. For number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place level 6 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square. For number, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, first column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be in, and 9 goes and there. 5 and a 9, we have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Well, let me give this a 1 star then. Another 3, another 2, another 4, another 3, another 2, yeah. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning with the previous Sudoku, but we solved it again, and I like this one, yes, I will do. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, a jigsaw Sudoku. So then, bye-bye for now.